Yo, 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 what's going on, Poke Fan? We back again, once again, on the Poke Dares channel with Pack A Day, every day number 394. We back at it with Prismatic. What's the booster bundle? Hopefully we can pull something good today. Yesterday we didn't get nothing on Throwback Thursday, but hopefully we get something on Friday. And it's a holiday. Happy Juneteenth. You know what I'm saying? Salute. So, and we got an Umbreon. Hey, let's see if we can pull something good. That'd be fire. Let's get to it. Everybody, good work week. Hope everybody got to that chili, as we like to call it, that bread, that moolah, that chicken. QR code for the family. Fam, bam, thank you, ma'am. Go. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. We got a no bat. We have a black belt trainer. We have a fan Rotom. My boy Slowpoke chilling on the beach, looking real lifted and splifted. We got Lacey, okay, in that nice prime jacket. I see you. Halucha. Halucha Libre Libre. Yes, sir. Look at my dog. Nice artwork. Love the detail. We got Techno Radar. We have a Dunspreece. Okay. Oh. And we have a Sea King. I like this Sea King. And nothing. Then we have a Espeon. So we didn't get nothing today, but I am a fan of the Eevee Evolutions. So we didn't get nothing. That's all right. Our spare cards back in the box. Alright, we didn't get nothing today, but it's alright. We're gonna get something tomorrow. Hopefully in our third pack. Win some, you lose some. But now, let's get to the giveaway binder update and let's see what our progress is so far, like we do every day. Like I said, giving away 8 binders. If you want to be part of the giveaway, all you got to do is hit that like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the family, welcome to the family. Or either hype the video or like the video, drop your name in the comment section, or put your favorite Pokemon in the comment section, and I'll add you to the list, which I'll show you after the binder. And if you are part of the family, all you gotta do is either hype the video or like the video, drop your name in the comment section, or put your favorite Pokemon in the comment section. Let's get to it, y'all. So, and each binder will be filled up. The first 2 pages will be filled up. From in my personal Lucario binder, we have trainers, supporters, we have EXs, Apexes, full arts, alt arts, reverse hollows, some sword and shield of that Mewtwo. We have Radiance, V-Stars, V-Maxes, Shinies. We got Rainbow Borders, Lapras, Raichu, 151, Ninetales, Jigglypuff, and Venusaur, Zapdos, clean. Some more Sword and Shield. We got the Zorora V, some Crown Zenith, some more full arts, promo card, tell my shiny borders, all different stuff in here, fam. Definitely gonna enjoy it when you get your book, your binder. Love this Bulbasaur full art. Got Eradicate, Team Rocket. Got Pokeball. Got Master Ball. Pause. Like that Salamence. That full art. Check it out. Piglet. Okay. It's Ho-Ho. Dugong. More promo cards. And everybody's binder will be different. Got some Wiggly Tubbs. We got more promo cards. Like I said, I got 8 of these, so each binder will get each of this one particular promo card in perfect order. More Sword and Shield for my Sword and Shield fan. Don't have a lot of D stars or D maxes, but it has some reverse hollows and hollows and stuff like that. So, you know, so they go to a good home, go to good use. Magneto, more full arts, all tarts, Alabama. Leaf ball, water ball, psychic ball, milk tank, Pokeball, more Sword and Shield. We have it. We're almost there, family. Finish up this page, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. We almost done with that half a page, and we'll be at 4. Now to the giveaway names. So congratulations to everybody who made it so far on the list. So if you see your name on here, salute. And if you don't, like I said, if you want to be part of the giveaway, hit that like, share, and subscribe. Either like the video or hype the video. Add your name to the comment section, or you can put your favorite Pokemon in the comment section. And that's all you gotta do. And welcome to the family if you're new. Bars. So, all right, family, we didn't get nothing today, but we're going to try again tomorrow on day number 395. We're going to keep that streak alive. Win some, you lose some. So, got to collect them all. Got to catch them all. See y'all tomorrow, family. Appreciate you. Deuces.